Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and be installing the trim that I was telling you on the previous video, which is basically this whole trim piece right here, as well as all the way in the left side driver side. There's a little piece. I already installed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and install this big piece now. Same thing, you want a adhesion promoter, you want to clean the area nicely, and then we're gonna go ahead, you're gonna peel off the ribbon from the back. It has 3M already pre-applied, and we're just gonna go ahead and position it and go. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the other side and go ahead and press on it as well, and we'll wrap this up. But that looks really nice, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish off the frame, and then I'll show you guys how everything looks. Alright guys, so this is the little piece that I was telling you about. That's where that goes, and then the rest of the trim. Look at that beauty. I think it looks amazing, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I think it adds a nice little touch to the car, and just looks really nice after all these mods. So let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, guys, Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very blessed day.